Good, good. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed. I'm from India.
Oh, cool. What part of India?
It's Eastern India, Delhi. I'm right now in Delhi. I belong to
Okay.
Eastern part of India. Yes.
Uh, yeah. Okay, nice. Well, nice to meet you. My name's Laura.
Thank you. I called you once, but you didn't answer the phone.
Oh, okay. Today?
Yes. Yes.
Or, oh, I don't know why. Maybe, yeah, I'm not sure why I didn't.
Okay.
So I apologize for that. Maybe I went on a break. Possibly. Uh, But okay, yeah. But I'm also in India at the moment.
Yes. Indians want to speak English a lot.
Yeah, it's true. Uh,
Yes.
a lot of Indians can as well, I think. Well, that I know.
Yes.
And how long have you been in Cambly for?
Today is my third session.
Ah, okay. Very good.
Yes.
Okay. What made you join? Why do you? I thought obviously you've said Indians want to know
Yes.
English, but what made you specifically join and want to improve?
I want to improve my English and I want to speak a lot. I want to find a partner whom I can talk and learn their culture. And this is all I want to improve my English communication skills.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, that's a good thing to learn as well, is obviously the culture and
that's right.
that. Okay, brilliant. And are you working at the moment or
Yeah, I have been working. I have a digital marketing agency and I've been working for the US and Canada customers for last 10 years.
with your job, do you also need to speak English?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
I've been working for the US and Canadian customers, so obviously I have to speak in English. And it's been 10 years. I started in 2012 and now it's 2022. It's been almost 10 years. I've been working for the same.
Yeah, that's a long time. That's
Yes,
good. So yeah, of course, and you've been
right.
communicated English levels.
So you're from England, right?
I am exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I saw the news about the Majesty Queen, and I believe it was a very emotional moment for all the England people, right?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of mixed opinions, but yeah, a lot of people were upset about it. I think
Right.
because of it. Yeah, it was very sudden, even though she was old. Obviously she was 96, so it wasn't so much of a shock.
Yes.
But I think because she had been doing quite well from what we knew. So I think everybody was a bit surprised by it even.
So what do you
Yeah.
do?
So at the moment I'm just doing Cambly, but usually what I do is work for a kindergarten. So I teach children from 4 years to 8 years old.
Okay.
Um, English, but also music and art as well.
Okay. So have you ever been to India?
Yeah, I'm in India now, so I live in India.
Where
Um,
do you live right now?
in Goa.
In
I'm in
Goa.
Goa at the moment.
Okay. So how long it's been?
I've been living here for 3 years. Um, but the
Okay.
first time I came to India was 5 years ago.
Oh, okay. So how many states you have been to India? Like just only Goa or you have visited some other places?
Yeah, I visited other places. I don't know how many actually. I don't think I've ever counted. But I've been to like Karnataka. Um, I've been to Delhi, Mumbai. Um,
Hmm.
where else have I been? Rajasthan, uh, Shimla, a few.
So what was the purpose you came to in India and you have been staying for the last 3 years? What was the main purpose to stay here?
I was supposed to stay here. I now have a fiance that's Indian. He lives here.
Oh, okay.
Um, so it's kind of, I don't want to say that it's because of him that I moved here, but
Okay.
there's a few different reasons.
All right.
Yeah. And I just love it. When I first came, I wasn't sure about coming here at first, but my friend had been to India and so she convinced me. And I just loved it. The people, um, culture, everyone's, it's like a slower pace of life. In
Hmm.
England, everybody's always stressed and in a hurry, whereas it just doesn't seem like it here.
Yes.
Everyone's a lot more laid back. I think.
Cool. That's nice. How do you find Indian people?
They're really friendly. I think that yeah, they're really kind and they usually help. Um, I think yeah, the majority that I've met are lovely. Yeah, and I mean, I don't know. Have you ever been to Goa?
No.
Okay, yeah, there's a lot of foreigners here. You might know
Yes.
that anyway, even without.
I've been living in Delhi. It's been almost 1 decade, and I have so much work to do. I have so many responsibilities which I have to accomplish. And I'm a family man. I'm a religious man, and I have so many work that just bound me not to go anywhere else but to stay in Delhi and work for my company and earn some money and fulfill all my wishes, right wishes, and take care of my families. So that's why
Mhm,
I don't spend much more money on visiting here and there because those money I utilize for my business to grow and I use those money for fulfilling all wishes of my family members. So that is why
mhm,
I don't go here and there. But my main motto is to visit abroad, that is the US
mhm,
country, and the second is Saudi Arabia. These two countries I would like to visit. So maybe in future, due to the pandemic situation, COVID-19 issues, I did not travel here and there. But let's say if it was not COVID situation, so I would have been visited to the US and Saudi Arabia. These two countries I would like to visit. Yes. And second, in India, Delhi is the best place to visit, and this is also a
mhm,
tourist places. So I have been many places in Delhi, but if you talk about some other places, yes, I have been to Rajasthan. There is a one state,
mhm.
Jodhpur and Jaipur. These two district in Rajasthan.
Mhm.
I have been there.
Okay, yeah, and yeah, you're right. In Delhi, I mean, I've been to Delhi, and I think there's still way more that I can
Yes.
haven't seen. There's a lot to see, and yeah, I can completely understand that. There's higher priorities. I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, what is the reason? Why would you like to visit? You said the US and Saudi Arabia.
The first reason is I love US and especially I watch in Hollywood movies. I see uh, basically my business is already registered in Georgia state in US, and I
Okay.
would like to go for the business purpose, and I would like to explore myself and see what's going on in terms of the business and the startups, and so this is my one purpose. Second, I would like to go to the Saudi Arabia because that is a holy place for the Muslims. I'm a Muslim, so this is a kind of a pilgrimage. In Makkah, there is a holy place, and
Mhm.
I have to pray. So this is a holy place for the Muslims, and
Wow.
this is the place I want to visit in my life once. Second, the
Mhm.
U.S. because I want to explore U.S. I like U.S. people. I like the accent, the way they talk. Yes. So this is two countries I would like to visit first if I get a chance in my life.
Mhm. I've heard of that. I've heard with Saudi Arabia that there's a lot of people want to go there for that reason.
Right.
And so you said that you have a family. So do you have children?
Yeah, I have two kids.
Okay, nice. How old are they? Did I?
One is 9 months and one is 6 years.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, that's a really good aging. Okay.
Yes.
Is it a boy? Do you have a boy or a girl, son or daughter?
The 6 years is a girl and 9 months is a boy.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's really lovely. Is she learning English yet at school or not yet?
She's in school right now, and sometimes I teach her some sentences because English language is our second language. We have to talk all the time in Hindi language. So
Yeah,
sometimes I teach her how to make sentences, not through grammatically, but yes, for the speaking way. So I
yeah.
sometimes I teach her.
That's good. Yeah, and I think at that age, that's a good way to learn, just to learn some
That's
sentences.
right. Yes. Yes, thank you so much for joining me, and it was a nice experience for me. And you're the third from UK, right? But you're still in India right now. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
hope we will see again and we will talk again if we get a chance. Okay, so thank you so
yeah.
much
I hope
for
so. I look forward to it.
talking. All right, so take care. Bye.
Thank you. You too. Take care. Have a good day.
You too. Bye bye.